it's your girl Caitlin Couture back with another video. I'm super excited to start this video. I've been holding off because I really wanted to record it for you guys. So before we get into it, make sure you follow me on my Instagram, moki.couture, and I'll leave all my other social media accounts below as well. And all the materials and everything you will need in the pattern for the crochet project will be in the description below. This weekend I decided it's time for me to relax and get back into nature, get back into myself and hobbies, because I really, for many years, I've just been working and not really taking time and energy for myself. I don't know if you guys can relate to this, but it's taken a toll on me, so I decided to take a whole week off. So I am planning my beach trip, but I really want to make like a beach dress. I just started getting into crocheting, so let me just show y'all what I've been crocheting. Okay, so this is the first thing I crocheted. It's a granny square hat. It's a little big, so the next time I do it, I'll definitely try and make it a little bit smaller. I made this next hat, which is a puffer stitch type of hat. Again, I'll probably downsize it so that it's like a little bit more like closer to the head. This is really good for like summertime if you want like kind of a beanie vibe. But they look really nice and neat, so I want to take the chance and make a mesh dress. I believe, let me just find out who the girl is because I bought her pattern. Okay, I can't find her account right now, but it's going to be a mesh dress pattern by It's Lua Baby, so I will be attaching her links and everything below. You can purchase like a made to order one through her as well as a pattern, but like since I want to do it myself, I think it's like only $5. It's not too expensive, which I like. So let's get into the material. So guys, let's get into the materials. I'm using a 15mm hook, but for this pattern you're going to need a 5mm hook. I'm also using a 5 weight yarn, but you can also use a 4 weight yarn. I got cream and a light green color, and this is the pattern. Again, attaching those details below, and don't forget Okay guys, so I'm gonna try my best to do this, most of it on camera with you guys. So I'm gonna take out this. The first step, the first part, so this project is gonna take 10 hours, so I'm probably gonna do at least like 5 hours, and then I'm work on it tomorrow. I'm trying to find I can't find it, so I might just pull from here, just go around. I hate doing that, but anyway, this is a 5 weight yarn, and then the first step we're going to do is make a slip stitch. So first what you're going to do is you're going to do this, then that is your slip stitch right there. You're just going to put your hook through here. I like to hold it like this, and then I just want to make sure that's tight, and then I like to also hold my crochet here like this. I'll also do it from my perspective if it makes it a little bit easier. And then you're going to measure I'm going to measure my chest, and that's how much I'm going to chain. So I like to start from here to here, just so it's customizable for you. I like that. It's like 13.5, so you'll just chain that much. And you can always check it. So I'm gonna go switch the view so you guys can see me do it. So this is how I chain. So what you're gonna do is, this is so weird because I'm so used to like a small crochet hook. You're just gonna like pull it through. Oh. And that's chain 1. Hold on, let me just start it over for you guys so you guys can actually see it, because it feels weird. Usually I have like a smaller hook, so using this big hook feels weird. But yeah, you're just gonna take it and wrap it around and then bring it through, and that's 1 chain like that. Just do it again. You can loosen your grip a little bit. This feels so weird because it's such a big crochet hook for me. I'm so used to using like a 5.5 millimeter one. So this feels a little weird, but I'm sure I will get the hang of it. And I'm just gonna, so you're just gonna rotate it, pull it through, another chain, twist it, pull it through. As you can see, these are the chains right here. Okay guys, so right here it's roughly 16. I did count the chains. I believe it's like 33 chains, so we're going to go on to the next step here. Check-in. I almost forgot. So I feel like I've been working on this for 3 days. Some sections I did have to start over, which I'm not too excited about, which I wasn't too excited about, but like, hey, what are you gonna do? I know that the next time I try to make this dress, I'm going to use a smaller hook. I know on the pattern she says 15 millimeter, but on her video it's like a 5 millimeter, or I think it's 5 or maybe like a 4.5 millimeter. So that would make the holes a little bit more smaller, but this is still cute. I love the little creamish kind of white color in the green. I'm really in my jade light green era. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. I'm scared on how this is gonna turn out. I hope you guys like this, and if you guys like, if you guys have any questions or would like to see me crochet some other stuff, because I really want to do like DIY projects with you guys, but right now I'm really crocheting right now. That's my hobby right now. So yeah, so let's continue working. I'm on row 3. I'm gonna do 9 rows in total of the white, and hopefully I'll be done. I'm trying to be done by today, if not tomorrow, possibly. I don't know, but we'll see. Don't hold me to it. Don't hold me to it. So guys, I'm finally done making the dress. My hands, I think the issue was I was having a little bit of cramping in this side of my hand, because I wasn't using my pointer finger. I was using my middle and then this finger here. So I tried to push through and I finally completed the dress. I'm so excited. Here she is. She looks so cute. Look at it. I can't wait. I am going to put it on tomorrow and give y'all some B-roll in it. I did try it on a couple of times while I was making it, and I did make the the hip a little bit bigger, and then I made it skinny towards the bottom. So I can't wait for you guys to see it. Before I end the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you would like to see me crochet next. I know I have one particular idea that I want to try to execute, and I'll definitely post that on here. But if there's anything specific, like a stuffed animal or like maybe another wearable item that's beginner friendly, I will definitely attempt to try to make it. Again, follow me on my socials, leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I just look so cute.